Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Honda Pilot. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.